Today we're going to talk about Dr. J and his wife, Dr. L, who are chiropractors and functional medicine, have a functional medicine practice in Florida. When they came to us, Dr. J and Dr. L had a practice, and it was growing. It was seeing patients, but it wasn't near the capacity that they could be at. And financially speaking, that's where the problems were. They had less than a half a month of business reserve. So if there's any kind of an emergency at all, they really didn't have enough to even cover a payroll. And that was really creating a lot of anxiety because they just didn't ever feel like they had good control of the finances of the business. They had a lot of problems controlling their inventory, and it was causing a lot of stress. The solutions that we brought to the table were first and foremost was to really map out and have them see exactly where they were financially compared to where they could be, where they wanted to be, and where they knew that they had the potential to be. But we had to show it to them so they could see, okay, if I just do X, Y, and Z, I can get to where I want to go in that time frame. And they had never had someone do that before. They had never had anyone map out if they just paid this amount towards their debt and give them a schedule that they can stick to and follow, that they can see that they're going to be debt free at this particular time. Same thing with saving money and creating other income sources. So it was really eye-opening to them when we formulated the plan and showed them, like, look, this is real. You can do this, and it's something that is attainable. The outcome of them following the plan has been very impressive to watch. Number one, they have done a remarkable job of marketing themselves and their practice and really creating a scenario where they have a flood of new patients coming in the door. Now, that's great, but my experience has been no matter how big a practice gets, it will still try to spend every dollar that it makes. So for them, it was the control aspect of the money. As they're making more money right now, the results have been pretty staggering. Now they have over 2.5 months of business reserves. They have close to 35% of their passive income goal that they've already achieved, and they're still fairly in their 40s. So they have a long time to do this, and they should have this done within the next 5 to 7 years as far as having enough passive income to pay for their lifestyle. Their debt to assets ratio has come down to, I think, from 45% down to 22%. And they just feel like for the first time, like, wow, we feel like we've hit our sweet spot here and we're in control of the money flows in and out. And that makes them feel really good.